When you think about having a conviction or a belief in something and not letting go of that conviction until you're able to make action on what you believe, Justice Ginsburg was the epitome of that.
Hello, Northside. So what I wanted to say is it's important to have heroes, to have people we can look up to and want to be like. They don't always wear capes. In Justice Bader Ginsburg's case, she wore a robe. But what she wore isn't important. It's what she did. People really see what you value by what you do, not just what you say. She was only 5 feet tall. Some would say short, but she was mighty. She stood tall for all people and their rights. She defended equality and opened doors so other women could follow her lead and step through them without facing the challenges earlier generations had. What I want you all to remember about the notorious RBG was that she grew up right here in our borough, a Brooklyn girl who went to Brooklyn schools, just like you, and she changed the world. She made it better for millions of people. You too have that power. So what change will you make?